The DreamCloud Premier Hybrid is a softer, pillow top style bed in a box that feels like a luxury hotel mattress at a budget price. I rated it about a 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale, softer than average with plush quilted foam up top and coils underneath for bounce, airflow, and support. This makes it a great fit for back sleepers who need both contouring and stability, as well as side sleepers who benefit from pressure relief on the shoulders and hips. Hot sleepers will also like the cooling cover and coil design that helps with airflow. Couples should find it performs well for motion isolation, making it easier to sleep undisturbed. However, stomach sleepers and those who prefer a firmer or more traditional memory foam feel should look elsewhere, as this bed is more pillowy than firm and doesn't offer that slow sinking foam sensation. At around $900 for a queen with discounts, plus a 365-night trial, forever warranty, and free shipping. It's a strong value if you want a breathable, supportive mattress with a plush pillow top feel. Do your own research.